Good job. Look at this. The Ford 9-inch and the LT1.
3, 2,
Oh, man. All right, new hood going on. Man, it's crazy how close that color is. Yeah, it's got a little gap there. Well, guys, the day has come where our little junkyard we have on the side of the house,
It's not a junkyard.
parts yard,
Yeah, there you go.
parts yard, needs to be cleaned out. We got work to do on that thing out there. And we got a few cars back here. Well, every man should have a little stuff. Just not this much stuff. Manny, good job. Look at this. What you call organization. Man, much better than before. That's one day. Nice.
I think that Impala will fit. Like
Yeah. The Impala will fit perfect now. Josh, weren't we going to take the engine out first? Time to unload. The Ford 9-inch and the LT1. Cup holder. Josh, you definitely can't deadlift that thing.
Just push it. Ready? 3, 2.
Oh, man. Earthquake. New weightlifting routine. Gosh, you're a hoss. It's just a Ford 9-inch. Probably only weighs what, 350? Need to put drum brakes back on there.
Less than a minute. Hold on. You just got a guy. Ready?
Watch that sprinkler head. There you go. Gonna grab one of these junk tires. We'll do this Michelin since it's all ripped up. Put the engine right on top of this. You gonna roll it? There you go. New home for a while. Just have to go get bolts and put it up on that stand. All right, guys, today's the day. There's the new hood going on the Impala. We gave it our best shot to try to save this one. We're gonna keep it and hang on to it, but it's pretty pitted. I'd rather start with a little fresher hood. And we get the gun sight. Now that we're so nice and tidy back here and organized. Might not look like it to the untrained eye, but we are. All right, what are you guys gonna detach the hood first?
Yeah.
All you have to do is remove the hood from the hinges, right? All right, so we don't bore everybody, I'm going to time lapse. All right, new hood going on. Man, it's crazy how close that color is to the right color for the car.
Like the hood, under the hood looks.
Yeah, it looks like it's stock. Call this thing Little Red Riding Hood when we're done. Gonna have a cherry red hood. All right, let's see where it goes.
For the most part, like, it might need to be adjusted. Definitely looks
Unbelievable.
like it's come my way.
Really?
What's it on?
Huh?
What's it on? Why is it
Go
not
down.
closing?
It's not closing?
It's actually not bad. I think we're on something now.
Watch out a minute.
Could also be that those things are tightening and binding it somehow.
It's like dirt in here.
Oh, the dirt? Could be dirt.
Watch out.
Let me see something real quick.
There it goes.
Does it feel like there's any resistance, Josh?
Yeah, I mean, it's just a spring, but
Wow, it actually looks like it belongs there with the fender color, huh? Crazy. Is it supposed to close right now? Do you got the
no,
latch?
we don't have the latch.
Yeah, you don't have the latch here. All right, got more work to do. Dude, stripping or tightening, Manny?
It's a long bolt, bro.
Yeah, it is. I love how we figure things out as we're doing it. It's not like there's not 100 videos on how to replace the hood, what you might run into. But we're pioneers. Moment of truth.
Something feels good.
It shuts. Yeah, but you know what? It's got those little twisty bumps that you just twist out, and that should line it up good. Yeah, it's got a little gap there. But hey, better for cooling. It's a joke, Manny. It's a joke. See these things? I turned it slightly, so should elevate it a little more right here.
Better.
Brought it forward, it's still just...
Much better. But you can, I told you, there's a little thing in there that you can adjust the fender and slide the fender over. To me, it looks like the fender is over.
Yeah.
It's the actual fender.
Mine just needs this.
Hey,
No,
listen,
you can tell the fenders.
the ZR1 doesn't line up on the hood. It's a GM thing. Even the carbon fiber hood on that Corvette is off. Look at this side compared to this side.
Yeah, you need to come with a measuring device.
It's not so easy to adjust carbon fiber though. These are carbon fiber and so is this, so it's a whole different story. Lean into it while you retighten it down. No.
Sorry. Here, you want me to push on it?
Almost dropped into the abyss. Yep, where's the Milwaukee at? Kristen's? Of course. That ratchet's the most useful tool in the bunch, huh? You need to just buy another one, a couple of them, and have them laying around. That way, if you lose it or leave it somewhere, it doesn't really matter. All right, let's see.
I don't think that did anything.
You don't think so? I seen it move like a millimeter or two.
No.
Hood scoop.
I'm telling you, it's probably just the hood needs to go over this way.
This line is really good. I'll tell you this, I like that. I like the gun sight.
All right, let's just do the drill.
Thought I was going to be able to grab the hood and kind of shift it over, but forget it. This hood weighs as much as a Honda. This is the car you want to be driving in a demolition derby. You get it on there?
Yeah. And then we just gotta bolt it up.
Oh, I can't wait to see this. Little Red Riding Hood. All right, close it up. Wow, look at that. Man,
Looks like one of those Johnny Lightning barn finds.
yeah, it does. Looks awesome, actually.
I mean, it does look better though.
Yeah. Hey, in case you didn't know it was a Chevy,
Josh.
a little redundant, but doubled up on the Chevy patch. You know what's crazy? Look at the color of this hood. And then look at the way the fender patinaed. Almost the same color. That's really cool. Successful. Moment of truth here.
No.
No?
More. The front screw.